Um, I want to say this. We have been in the weekend and a lot has happened. I want to respond on the statement that were given by the ODM fraternity when they were in Mombasa. You heard what Raila said, and what Raila said, he said, and you heard also what Junet said, and you heard what Sifuna said. Number one, let me start with Junet Mohammed. Junet Mohammed said that at the Bunge Tower was to take only 5 billion, but Muturi, during Muteri, it took 26 billion. He wants the explanation. Then Sifuna said that he should take those allegations to the EACC. Then I asked myself a question that these people, Junet Mohammed sits in the Business House Committee. He's also the majority minority leader, and is the ODM, is the one now who calls shots. What makes him call, where has he been, to question Muturi or to call him even before, or even to call him and ask them? Because kama saa hii pia anaongea mambo ya 5 billion, anaongelea kule, and yet they sits in the house. Na yeye wakati yenye amekuwa pale, mbona ajai ita ule Muturi kuuliza, anangoja wakosane na Ruto huko ndio akuja tuambie mambo ya Bunge Tower. Hiyo ni unafiki. Sifuna, unatuambia mambo ya kuita Muturi ati aenda apeleke EACC, na wewe ni majority. We izile allegation, kama anasema ya kwamba allegation ya kusign billions, mbona msiulize kama as a house? Now you can call the shots. You are the deputy party. You are in that house. Yes. Why? But you can in the Senate. You can call whoever the involved ministry. Muulize maneno ambayo imesemwa, is it true or not true? Same to Junet, uitishe ulize hii mambo ya Muturi hii, ulitishe ulete pale. So mwache kutubeba wananchi ujinga. Umesikia jana wanasema tuiduink, Raila anasema ati mambo ya masoko. Wao wako katika broad based government, and I know their games. Their games number one ni kufanya wako pamoja na wananchi, but in the real sense they are not close to the Kenyans. Anasema mambo ya masoko. Yes, it's for the counties. But where you are with your brother, why don't you tell your brother, or even those issues ambazo una raise? Wakenya wanaumia mambo na SHA. Sijaiona mbunge wako, because they sit in the House Business Committee, walete those issues. Na una kutupigia pale kelele. Hii ni scheme kuambia ati ya kwamba ati ODM ati inaenda kukua kwa debe ati 2027. This is a scheme to win Kenyans. And then unaenda unapuliza huko, naambia unajua lazima ni kudanganya wakora. Najua mimi peke yangu ndo najua ukora ya watu wa ODM. Na mimi nataka niambie wa Kenya kwamba there is nothing that Raila is telling them, there is nothing that Sifuna is telling them, there is nothing that Junet is telling them. These are just lies. And the problems of Kenyans that are going through is because of the shenaniganism of ODM. They want to believe like they're with the people, but in the reality they are no longer with the people. I want to ask Kenyans to avoid or taking serious ODM. Watawacha kwa mataa. Let us focus on the real issues, and we're going to address issues that are supposed to be addressed. Umeona juzi mabarabara, nasema ati pesa ya mabarabara sijui imekwama wapi. Wanataka yeye, najua anataka magavana ndio apate pesa, magavana wampatie yeye. Sasa hiyo wamehold pesa badala ya support kera iendelee, the institutions that are there doing their work well. Wanaenda pale wanataka pesa iende kwa magavana ndio akote huko. We are selling them. Kenyans are watching, and we are not going to keep silent as you keep on lying to Kenyans that you are with them, yet you are not with them. Thank you so much.